Yep, here we are. Here we are, Tavern on a Green 15 years after. So, 15 years ago, we won this job to do the floors for Tavern on a Green. That was a renovation for the place, first time. And we were really proud to be a part of it. And we create this old hand-scraped Versailles parquet, aged it, and installed. During that time, we went a lot of challenges. A lot. So this is the middle dining room, and that looks at the beer garden. That's the kitchen. Here, the color, we're gonna keep it same. This is a nice honey color, fumed, but we have to clean up all this dirt, fix all these scratches. Look at the detail work on this. Look at all these leaves on it and the mirrors, you know. So we have only two days to get these things back running. So I'm going to use the LED oil so I can penetrate through because there is a wax. It's very hard to go through the wax, but somehow, because the LED got the wax in it, melts the wax and puts the color back on. So we start working on it right now. I will do right here, this and this, just a little out and leave the rest of it there. I want some scratches, it's fine. But look, this place is an elegant place, you could see. So you don't want to have like a big chained, ugly, the antique look, So we pretty much right after the lunch, we will finish that and we will water pop and leave this alone for tomorrow with the color. And again, we'll put the color and we will darken the perimeter again and then we'll go on. So today's the second day. After the washing, we're putting the oil on. And I'm gonna color a little bit extra because right now it looks very monotone. I don't want this, Remember, this was done 15 years ago, but also the story behind is probably over 100. I don't know. We got to check it. So we want to try to bring it all days back. So I'm going to put a thicker color. Then I'm going to slowly removing the color, different areas. Like, for instance, there's a traffic going there. So what we will do, we will remove the color more like a traffic coming in because I know the benches, we know the layout, they're going there. But here it's open. So we kind of wear out the color. And we will build up more on the perimeter. We will probably add more color on the perimeter. This buffer is dangerous, and I don't want to do it there. I want to try it there, but right now what I did, I put it here, bring the alcohol first to see what is my color. So I don't wait in a one spot. I go back and forth. Wipe it right from there. You see the wear? This gave me more natural wear. You know why? It hit the higher spots. I think that much it's enough. One more time here, right? Because we did two over there. So this gotta stay dark. This gotta stay dark. I can't walk like this. "15 years after, we got a call from David that he saw me, by the way, one of my projects, and he says, you should come back and we should clean it up and rejuvenate the place. But keep all that wear and history, the other 15 years, past 15 years, put it on, keep it intact. And that's what we did. So we were here. It was a lot of dirt and a lot of build-up wax, and we lost the color a lot of places because some cleaning teams, they also work and cleaned it up. So we want to bring it back 15 years ago, the way we left it. First thing we had to do, remove the wax. But you know that better than me, anybody else who worked with the wood industry. When you buff the wood with the wax 15 years, you're not going to be just able to wash it off. The challenge comes here because my projects are all challenge, and I was very happy to jump on this again. The challenge is here. This is hand scraped wear pattern. We want to keep all that, but at the same time, what we want to do, we want to put color back in. And just because this is saturated with wax, even when de-waxed it, you still got a lot of wax in it. If you go ahead and sand it, you can't sand this flat because this got all ups and down history. We don't want to take that out. And also, David didn't want to take out original patina, which we created. It got created over 15 years. So the challenge comes, keep all that, but put a color back in. And that's what we're doing here. So basically, I walked you through the steps quickly. Wash it with a chemical that does not smell, no mineral spirit, no combustible, zero VOC. Don't forget, it's a restaurant. You don't want to close the appetizer of the people. And then after washing the massive wax away, we treated the surface lightly by red pad, maroon pad. And then we burnished, water popped it, and then we burnished with the custom-made LED oil with the color we need to be. And we were really, really keeping our fingers crossed, even though we did a couple tests prior. We were thinking that I hope the color gonna penetrate, but happens to be, big surprise, it penetrated more than we needed. When I asked David, what do you think? How you like the color? Because he wants more color in. And he goes, I think it's much darker when I was anticipating. So I said, don't worry, it's very easy to remove it. The difficult thing is to get the color in. But he didn't know that after I put the color in, I have to go back now where my traffic is, start lightly wearing off. And that's what I did around the bar, around the main doors, the main dining room, the bar area. So where all the traffic is going, I wear that color off. So I got almost like 3 colors, 4 colors, because deep color, lighter, and some of them, totally I took the color off from the tips where the wood is cupping. And so get back that when people come back, they don't think that, oh, this place was painted or redid it. They're gonna feel that they did something, but it just rejuvenized it, not refinished it. That's the whole idea.